Hey guys, Bob here. Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. We got in two gigantic boxes from Rock Auto. They're both addressed to me, so they must be mine. Now I was expecting some parts, so I didn't think they'd come in boxes that big. Matter of fact, I would have thought all of it could have come in this size box, but we got another box that's even bigger. So let's see what all they sent me. I'll get you set up on the tripod. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. That's what it's like. Take the strong. Got that one opened up. See what we got over here. Should be the same thing. Hey. All right, let's fold this thing back up. Let's pull out these parts. The bottom of the box is coming open. The top of the box is coming open. These are new chassis parts. Interesting way of packing. Alright, you got a part number RK620252 and 620260. Let's see what we got in here. It's like Christmas time. Yep, same thing. These are huge. Didn't eat my wings this morning. RK62051. That's 052. So they're a left and a right. Even these boxes are too big, but they're moving around inside the boxes. RK62061 and 060. So left and right, left and right. All right, let me get you off that tripod. Yeah, these are Moog control arms for this Chevy S10 pickup that's sitting in the back of. Should be upper and lower, left and right, two-wheel drive. Here's what happened. This truck rather, I had motor mounts put on it 6-8 months ago, and what else? Oh, the fuel pump. And because it was, the truck was all over the road. It was really dangerous to drive on the interstate. I noticed when I picked it up, I got it back and driving it, and the motor mounts, the guy said they were completely shot on both sides, and the truck drove a lot better. It was more predictable. It still wandered a little bit and drove kind of bad. So I crawled up under it. You've probably seen in a previous video and saw that the bushings were bad. I got a couple of bad tie rod ends too. So I went to the local shop here in town, and he wanted, I think he quoted me $1,880. No, $1,680 to replace all 4 control arms. And these are loaded control arms. They have the, I'll show you. They have the ball joints and control arm bushings already put on, installed. And then of course the front alignment, $1,680. And I thought, man, that's a lot of money. So I got looking, and I got all this stuff with shipping just a little over $300 from Rock Auto, brand new Moog items. And unfortunately, I can't do this because I'm so busy. I'm slammed, and I don't want my truck to be down for a month while I work on it, an hour here, an hour there, and 3 hours over here. So I farmed it out to a different shop that I do a lot of work with, and he's quoted me $500 labor. So I have a little over $800 in it. Well, by the time you do the front end line, about $900. And it should help this truck drive a lot better. Then, of course, I'll do the tie rod ends. That's something I can do myself pretty quickly. And I'll probably adjust on the steering box first, because the steering box got some play in it. And it's not exactly as you turn it to the one. I can't remember if to the right is tight, to the left is loose. Probably wore out, but I'm gonna try to adjust it. But if nothing else, I'll put a steering box on it too, and of course a set of shocks, because it hits every bump in the road and almost wants to go airborne. So it's a ride. So it's like something at the carnival. But we're gonna keep working on this old truck and get it looking nice and get it looking driving right also. It's an 01 with the 4.3 V6 two-wheel drive extended cab. There's several videos on the channel of it, and it's paid for. I'm probably, with this purchase here, I'm over $4,000 in this truck now. But you know what? The air blows cold. It runs great. It's a great shop truck. And I don't see no need to go out and buy, I think the cheapest thing I could probably get my hands on is a Colorado or a Nissan. And the ones I've looked at had about 40,000 miles. They were over 30 grand. So I'll just keep this one and keep putting money in it when I can, and drive it. Yeah, let me open up these boxes and you'll see what the parts look like. Okay, this is the upper control arm. As you can see, the rod, shaft with new bushings, new nut, all that's brand new. The control arm is brand new, and a brand new ball joint riveted in place. Look at the size of the rivets, guys. That's nice. Moog, baby, Moog. I know they're still made in China, at least I think they are. Still, they put higher specifications on their parts still, I think. And up here is the lower control arm, and it's got the bushings pressed into it also, as you can see, and the ball joint. I'm going to take them out of the bag just yet. And there's a spring cup. So this is the lower. So I already opened up all the boxes. They're all good. So we're going to run these up to the shop and drop it off. Hopefully he'll have it back to me in 2 or 3 days, as opposed to me doing it, taking a month, working on it when I could. So I have my truck back, and I'll do the shocks myself and the tie rod ends myself. It shouldn't be too big a deal. Okay, folks, so if you want to follow along on this build of this truck, I hope so. I know she's got some body damage. I haven't addressed any of the body damage, other than I did put a bumper on it. The bumper was beat all to hell, but when I got it. But we're going to work on the body too, eventually, not anytime soon. But please follow along if you're interested in this kind of stuff. We got the Durango over here, Cordoba up under there, and a Diplomat, and Magnum, and a Barracuda. I ain't gonna tell the other one, there's a secret. But anyway, like and share this video, and please scroll down, look at some of the other videos we got. We got a ton of content on the channel, really good videos a lot of people like. I hope you guys like them too. All right, Bob is out.